हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। एक बार फटाफट से देख लेते हैं फिर ऑनलाइन। यस वी आर। 1 मिनट देते हैं लोगों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए एंड देन विल गेट स्टार्टेड। आर यू एबल टू हियर मी गाइस? आवाज़ आ रही है? कैन यू प्लीज़ कंफर्म? ठीक है, ठीक है गाइस, स्टार्ट करते हैं बिटकॉइन से। यार बिटकॉइन ने फाइनली टारगेट दे दिया। बहुत देर तक बिटकॉइन यहीं घूमता रहा, फिर फाइनली बिटकॉइन ने यहाँ पे जब टारगेट दिया 300 पिप्स से ऊपर ही मिल गए थे, तो मैंने यहाँ पे बुक की है अपनी 30%। मैं 1:1.5 पे बुक कर चुका था, बाकी रिमेनिंग मैंने 1:2 पे कर ली है। राइट, तो ये आई होप आपने ये 300 3100 ये 300 310 पिप्स लिए होंगे इसमें। राइट, शानदार ट्रेड थी, मज़ा आ गया। इनफैक्ट इसने काफ़ी और भी ये काफ़ी अच्छा दे रहा है। हमारा इवेंचुअल टारगेट यही था, बट बीटीसी ना बेरिश लग रहा है यार इस टाइम पे। आई नो 1 डे का सपोर्ट था यहाँ पे, बट बुक कर लिया 1:2 पे मैंने। ठीक है, आ जाओ गाइस चैट में जिसने प्रॉफिट किया है। इतने फटाफट से गोल्ड की बात करते हैं। गोल्ड साइडवेज ही चल रहा है यार। गोल्ड जब तक इस रेंज में फंसा रहेगा ना, ये 1523 से ये 100 पॉइंट की रेंज में जब तक गोल्ड फंसा रहेगा तब तक ये यहीं घूमता रहेगा। इसको ये रेंज या तो तोड़नी पड़ेगी या इसके नीचे निकलना पड़ेगा, और फिर अच्छे टारगेट्स हमारे खुल जाएंगे। ठीक है, अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए गोल्ड इज साइडवेज। लेवल्स आते हैं तो देखते हैं। ठीक है, बिटकॉइन लगा लेते हैं अभी फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि बिटकॉइन में अगर ये लेवल टच हुआ तो यहाँ से एक सेलिंग की ट्रेड बन सकती है। अभी धीरे 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 करके ऊपर आ रहा है। देखते हैं अगर यहाँ पे कोई सेलिंग, आपका सेलिंग स्ट्रक्चर बना तो एक सेल ट्रेड बन जाएगी। ठीक है गाइस, चलिए बिटकॉइन लगा के छोड़ देते हैं फ़िलहाल। चेस पे आते हैं फटाफट से। सुबह अभी हमारी 1977 रेटिंग है। देखते हैं अभी तक कितना कितना पहुँच पाते हैं आज। Why is this not a free night? It is, right? Resigns? विधि ओपन Open up. Now this is lost, right? This pawn falls. Not yet, but that's fine. Should be winning. Okay, guys. Win. Barely win. Easy game. Like, I think he blundered that knight, right? Otherwise, he was fine. Let's see. अरे भाई ये वाला नहीं यार. क्या रेटिंग दी है कंप्यूटर ने?
Well done pouncing on that free piece.
2400 की रेटिंग मिली है 88%. अच्छा जी देख लेते हैं भैया.
This is the most popular starting move in chess. Your better option was to pin a knight to the king. Develops their bishop, castling both king. Very good choice. Your best move was to develop a bishop and attack the center. This move lost the advantage, and now you stand equal. The game was fairly balanced, but now your opponent's position has worsened.
Easy game for you, sir. Take with the bishop before taking with the rook in the last moment, because he could have avoided the rook trade. Yeah, but then I would have taken his rook, right? And I am a piece up and one pawn up, right? And then I'm going to get that file also, open file. So it was winning for me. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you here, right?
They pawn this.
Yeah,
you want a knight for. No surprise. They defended. Your knight has a logical. They made one of a knight. They offer recaptures. You've moved. A correct good takes back.
So here
you attack. This move puts their bishop on a
safer
safer square.
Is take with this, right?
White will be winning material with that fork.
I mean, I could have taken it, but then
this move puts their bishop on a safer square. Taking that pawn will win material for you after the follow-up trades. Okay, this move puts their bishop on a safer square. White will be winning material with that fork. This move puts their bishop on a taking that pawn will win material for you after the follow-up trades.
Both are fine, right? The reason why I took this is, let's say he moves here because he had to. Otherwise,
this protects an under-defended rook that is under attack.
So takes, and now I'm getting the open file. So this is winning.
This takes an open file, a common method for activating a rook.
Okay. But
takes back. You recapture the piece.
Yeah, both win. Okay, next game. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I was already a bishop up or a knight up, right? So I didn't care. But yes, I think bishop takes was also fine. I know it is not, ideal, but I sometimes play this. Hmm. Your gold buy, I don't think it is the right moment, to be very honest. But gold buy is not, I would recommend for now. अरे यार, can I not take this? Why can I not take this? Is this losing? I'm threatening knight here. Is this not lost? Why is this not lost? First tell me that. Knight here? Wow. Sir, please explain trading setup for today. Oh my god. Let's quickly see. Guys, I'll come back to this, game review in a minute. Could you explain the gold setup again? Okay. I'll quickly explain. So first I'll quickly explain Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin did a very it just fell yesterday, and then so this was a higher time frame buying zone. It was 300 pips, so that is why we uh, you know waited for 1 minute bullish change of character, which it so if I go back at 1 minute, right? So 1 minute we got a change of character here above this zone, right? And then our trade, which was this was the previous low, so our trade executed here. We had a stop loss of 150 pips, and then it gave us 310 pips, right? Huh, funny resignation. I'll show you the line. It was already lost, right? Okay, so in Bitcoin, the current levels are, I'll quickly move to 15 minutes now, right? So in Bitcoins, the levels are one day, if this doesn't break, I mean, if this breaks, then we have a lot of scope for selling, right? But currently, I am targeting this zone, right? So we have to find a setup, a bearish setup here, and then we can take a, sell side trade here. Okay, so the level is 104,422 820, so 400 40 pips SL, 40 45 50 pips SL here, but we have to wait for a candle closing and then a bearish setup. Okay, if I go to gold, so gold, as we've discussed in today's morning stream as well, so this is a gold's 915 to 23 is one zone of for buying. So if gold comes here, I mean, gold has already taken a support here, so you have to be very careful if you're taking a buy trade here. Okay, wait for the candle closing and only then take a trade. Keep a very strict SL, right? Because gold just took a support here twice. Selling level, if we talk about gold selling level, so 426 to 431 is one level. If it breaks, then 453 4053 to 4059 is another level, and then both of these, if both of these uh, you know are broken, then you will see 141 to 163. So these three levels for gold, but for now I don't think there is any trade. Let me quickly check in 5 minutes. What is gold doing in 5 minutes? इसका हाई क्या है भाई? इसका हाई है 397.685. इसकी क्लोज क्या है? ठीक है, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. मतलब gold is unclear to me, right? मतलब I'll take a sell trade from here and then I'll take a buy trade from here, because this is again consolidation only, right? 5 minutes bit is not, it is unclear still. Okay, so no trade, at least for me, in gold until we hit either of these two levels, right? Bitcoin is interesting, so I'll go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we can get a sell side trade if market touches this level. Okay, so please be alert here. All right, I'll quickly coming back to chess. Let's do a review here. This is where he lost his advantage, because he lost this pawn for free, right? Yeah, this is lost, and the reason is knight e5, which is what I did. What about this? Knight f3 check. Check, takes. So should I take, let's say if I take, he takes back. nahi yaar, if I take, he takes this with check, I'll come back here, so that's not a problem. Acha, he cannot take because this is protected, right? Okay. No, this won't be protected because if I take here, so I'll come back here and I'm winning. Okay, so but if he takes, let's say I take, he takes, mate in 4. This, right? Where is the, because this is checkmate. So what can he do? What is computer saying? Computer wants him to sacrifice the queen. Okay. Yeah. What do you think about investing then like in Nifty and forgetting about the coming 5 years? What do you think about shorting Nvidia stocks? Nah, I don't know about Nifty Indian market, right? Nvidia I probably have to check, but Nifty I'm not sure, to be very honest. I am not very, I'm not following Indian chess for a bit now. Sorry, what I'm saying, Indian market for a bit now. But Nvidia we can see. You want me to quickly look at Nvidia? Nvidia, is this Nvidia? This is ETF. What's the name of Nvidia core? This, right? Oh man, what is this? Okay. Nvidia is unclear. I mean, I don't think we should short this. It can pretty easily come to this level. To which level? Hold on. Nvidia can come until here. This could be a buying opportunity in Nvidia. I don't want to short Nvidia for now because Nvidia is. Uh, can we short Nvidia also? And at the time to learn technical analysis. So thanks. Okay, bro. No worries. Nvidia broke this level. Yeah, this could also be a selling zone for Nvidia, to be honest. So probably this could be a selling level for Nvidia. So you might see a downside move from here. But I would rather recommend buying from here. I mean, if I would have been you, I would have tried to buy this stock from here than sell. Okay, let's go back to our string. Bitcoin Guys, be very alert here. Bitcoin can give us a good chance for selling. Okay, let's come back to chess. Right, next game. About almost 2000, Upendra, almost. I want to trade this off. Yeah, okay. Mhm. I just want to create a loop for my king. He can push this, of course. Yeah. Now he wants to push this, right? Let's see. I just want to trade it off. ना मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था what could I have done. He cannot play king here, right? Otherwise, I'll pick this up. Hmm. He has to take it, right? Okay. What is this? Okay. Yeah. He cannot play here. He has to move this dude first. Yeah. यार ये ड्रॉ है यार. क्या was I winning? Let's see. This is always a draw. Always. Always a draw. A flag or something. I don't want to play unrated, Eric. Sorry. I don't want to play unrated here. Okay. All right. Uh, New game. I had same position against one dude. That was a draw. F4. Critical move is I think F4 right here. No. Okay then. Hmm. Okay. Why? I'm a pawn up, right? Okay. What? Hold on. I can do this. बिटकॉइन, क्या बात है. So many people in the chat, guys. Bitcoin. If I push, takes. Is f4 winning? Because I'm cutting him off. Okay, let's try f4. What the heck? Is this not winning? I'll be damned if this is not winning. अरे भाई 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 भाई, इसमें थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट दिस इज विनिंग. Oh shoot, I think it's a draw. Is it? Yeah, he can hide. Yeah, man, जल्दबाजी क्यों की यार? This is a draw, man. Fuck. Okay, let's see. Game review. Where did we lose the initiative? Things are fine until here. This is also fine. Yeah, this is important. Taking is important. Okay. This is lost for him. मैंने कहाँ गड़बड़ की? King d7. The computer wants me to bring my king. अरे भाई. Okay, let's see. What? Computer says this is a. Oh, oh my god. queen here, and if he protects here, or if he comes here, I can come here. Wow. अरे यार, I missed this. I missed this. Okay, lol. What we did is, this is draw because his king can hide in the corner. Oh man. Oh. चलो कोई नहीं. Let's try one more game. नहीं नहीं, बाद में winning नहीं है. Winning इसलिए नहीं है because his king can hide in this corner even if I take this pawn, right? देख मैं बताता हूँ. देख. Now if I take this, this is a stalemate. This is not winning. ठीक है यार. Queen h3. Okay, next game. Hmm? Isn't this a free pawn? What am I missing? अच्छा. कितना ट्रिकी है ये भाई. So if I take this, he takes back. If I take this, he takes back. And if I take this, so then he has this check collecting my bishop. Okay, sir. So we'll not take that. Queen c8 is also not winning, bro. Hmm? तो मैं समझ नहीं पाया. What is this? Yeah. What? Okay. 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 If he is not careful, I have e6. Yeah. I knew he was careful. Rook here is a threat now. He has to be very careful. Okay. Are we winning this, guys? Are we getting to 2000 today? Can he take the rook, by the way? Probably he can. If I take this, if he takes back, then that is checkmate. And otherwise I have a discovery, right? Let's take this. I'll pre-move this. Okay. Okay, so he's not scared about the discovery. Is this what you're saying, mister? यार फालतू में हार गए यार, फालतू में हार गए. Guys, 2000, 2000 guys. मज़ा आ गया. Let's review. कैन आई टेक? नहीं ना. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट मूव हियर? सोचने दो पहले. माय पॉइंट इज ही इज थ्रेटनिंग दिस. टाइम प्रेशर नहीं, अभी देखते हैं ना. लेट्स सी हिज पोजीशन. सो ही इज थ्रेटनिंग दिस मूव. Oh no. What is the move? Knight takes e5. What about this? Queen d3. Queen d3 takes, takes. Queen takes d7. Okay. This. Queen f5 with a winning game. Wow, because this knight is trapped, right? Knight trap nahi hai. He plays this. Knight h5. X takes. Okay. Let's see. So hit this. This is correct. This is okay. Takes. We are better here. Okay, this is winning. This is what computer is saying. Rook b6 is winning. This is winning. Okay. So we played rook b7. He can take, right? Queen takes b7 बोल रहा है computer. Queen takes b7, knight takes and rook takes and knight b6. Knight d6 वापस. This is better for him according to the computer. Okay. So he played this. No. Okay, rook takes e7, which is what we did. रुक टेक्स f7 बोल रहा है यार वो. यहाँ पे रुक टेक्स f7 बोल रहा है भाई. पता है मैंने क्या सोचा था? ये डिस्कवरी. आई डू नॉट हैव अ ग्रेट डिस्कवरी हेयर. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज अ फ्री रुक. ओके, यही हुआ. यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है कंप्यूटर? नाइट टेक्स h6 चेक. ओके, किंग h7 followed by this. हाँ, नोटिस अगर ये लेता ना तो this is checkmate, right? So he cannot take. यार मैं बता सोचा ये कर ही नहीं सकता. ओके. तो हमने क्या किया? मेट इन 7. इसको ये आगे इसलिए नहीं बढ़ाना था बिकॉज नाउ माई क्वीन गेट्स दिस स्क्वायर टू चेकमेट हिम, which is what I did actually eventually. Now this is checkmate. गाइस आज 2000 के ऊपर एंजॉय करें या खेलें एक गेम और? आप लोग बताइए, उसके बेसिस पे करेंगे. बताओ भाई प्रशांत और यूडीटी संप्रू। एनीवन ऑनलाइन गाइस? आई कैन सी सम व्यूअर्स। बताओ, और खेलना है? बंद करें आज का? हो गया बहुत। बियर सजेस्ट तो किया है, बियर सजेस्ट किया है तो बंद करते हैं फिर, राइट? ऑलरेडी इट इज़ 11:15। यार आज रात चैन से सोते हैं 2000 के ऊपर, कल सुबह पार्टी दे इधर आके साल। चलो गाइज, आज की स्ट्रीम 2000 पहुंच गए हैं, मज़ा आ गया है। अब अब मुझे अपना कैप्शन चेंज करके आई थिंक 2200 करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो ठीक है, कल सुबह मिलते हैं गाइज। मज़ा आ गया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। गुड नाइट।